Hi guys, and welcome to another video from MCK showcasing you the bulbs. This time it's the 2018 Nissan QashQai, and this is the Techno version, so it's got mostly the bulbs, most of them are LED ones, but the rear indicators, the rear reversing lights and the front fog lights are still halogen. So I'm gonna show you how to get to the indicators now, and just unscrew those two screws on the lamp and you can basically pull it out. Remove the lamp, and as you can see you've got two wires there. One is directly connected to the bulb and the other is connector for the rest. Just unplug the one from the car, the rest of the bulbs LED, and then you can basically pull out the bulb as well. You just twist it left counterclockwise and pull it out. It's the indicator bulb there. It's called PY21W, and you'll find the link to our current best ones in the description there. So you just need to push it in and twist it counterclockwise as well, pull it out, and you can swap the bulb. So it's the same thing when it comes to putting our LED bulb. Just push it in, twist it clockwise to the right, and just let it go, and it's gonna sit in the place nicely. Then put the bulb back in the lamp, twist it clockwise to the right, and it should attach properly. Then connect the other wire from the car for the other LED bulbs that are already there, and just put the lamp all back in. As you can see here, this is the our LED bulb, very bright, very nice, instant on and off for that modern look. It looks really nice and much brighter than the standard halogen bulbs that are installed on the car. I'm gonna show you now quickly comparison. It was bright light, bright daytime, but as you can still see, the left side is LED. It's much brighter, it switches on instantly, so it's much safer and just looks that much more modern in that car when you have every other bulb basically LED. It's really weird that they did the indicators like that. As to the reverse lights, you need to open all this plastic cover. You've got one screw there where is the handle gap, and then all the other bits are basically this is like a push fit, so we just need to pull it open gently from one side, starting from maybe near the window, and just go ahead all the way. Then you'll gain access to the bulb, which is a T10. You will see our best ones in the descriptions. Very bright, much brighter than normal halogen ones, so you will have nice visibility to the rear and error free as well, so they work fine. Just a simple push and pull, you know, no tools required. And as to the front fog lights, there are H8s which you need. I was looking there is no flap. Usually in the cars you can swap them when there is like when you turn the wheels and there is a flap there, but not in this car. So either you need to access from the bottom, try to, you know, raise the car a bit and see under the bumper, or basically get the access from the wheel arch, but you need to remove the wheel probably. But the bulb is H8, and you can find the best ones we have in the description as well. So thank you guys for watching, and hope you enjoyed it. Ask me any questions and we'll try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks.